Imagine this. One moment, everything's going smoothly, just as you'd planned. Then, out of nowhere, you're hit with a serious diagnosis, maybe cancer, a heart attack, or a stroke. Suddenly, your whole world feels like it's spinning. And right after the health shock, a new, chilling wave of worry washes over you: the bills. How on earth are you supposed to handle a mountain of medical costs, especially if you can't even work? For so many people, this isn't just a what if, it's a tough reality. Savings can disappear in a flash, homes might be at risk, and the hope of getting better gets buried under a nightmare of debt. This kind of financial mess doesn't just hit you hard, it sends tremors through your entire family. The stress can be completely overwhelming, making it even tougher to focus on what really counts: your recovery. Now, you probably bought life insurance to look after your loved ones if you weren't around anymore. But what if that same policy could also step in to protect you and them while you're still here, fighting the fight of your life? What if your life insurance actually had a kind of secret power, a way to get you cash, right when you need it most, when your survival is literally on the line? This is where we get to the heart of what are called living benefits. Think of them as a feature tucked into many modern life insurance policies that can feel like a hidden superpower when things get really tough. Traditionally, life insurance was pretty simple. It paid out a death benefit to your family after you were gone. But living benefits? They flipped that old script. They let you, the person who owns the policy, tap into some of your own death benefit while you're still alive, if you meet certain conditions. It's like your life insurance is pulling double duty, safeguarding your family's future and helping you battle for your present. So, how do you unlock this secret power? Well, usually, living benefits come as add-ons, or riders, to your life insurance policy. You'll often hear about a few common ones. First up, there's the Accelerated Death Benefit, ADB, rider. If you're diagnosed with a terminal illness and doctors say you likely have 12 to 24 months to live, this rider lets you get a big chunk of your death benefit up front. And the best part? The money is yours to use however you need, for medical bills, hospice care, paying off loans, or even taking a meaningful family trip. Then there's the Critical Illness Rider. This one kicks in if you're diagnosed with a major condition listed in your policy, like a serious heart attack, stroke, invasive cancer, or end-stage kidney failure. Again, you can get a lump sum payment. This can be a lifesaver for covering treatment, making up for lost income, or just managing everyday expenses while you focus on getting better. And let's not forget the Chronic Illness Rider. You might be able to access this benefit if a doctor confirms you can't manage 2 out of the 6 basic activities of daily living. Things like bathing, dressing, eating, or getting around on your own, or if you need significant help because of severe cognitive issues. This can be incredibly important for handling long-term care costs, whether that's at home or in a special facility. These riders can often be added to different kinds of life insurance, like term or permanent policies, but the details will always depend on the insurance company and the specific policy. Some companies even include certain living benefit riders automatically, sometimes without any extra cost up front. So, what's the real big deal here? It's huge. It's about having financial peace of mind when you're feeling your most vulnerable. It means you can pour your energy into healing, instead of worrying about how you're going to pay the next hospital bill or cover the mortgage. It's about keeping your dignity, having the money to choose the care you want, to make your home more accessible if you need to, or simply to ease the financial strain on your family. This isn't just about surviving an illness. It's about your quality of life, both during and after. Getting these benefits can mean the difference between staying afloat and facing bankruptcy, keeping your family financially secure, and lifting a massive weight of stress off your shoulders. That's a pretty powerful lifeline. Plus, the money you get is generally tax-free when used for qualifying illnesses, which is another big plus. Okay, a few important things to remember. Tapping into your living benefits will usually lower the final death benefit that your loved ones get. Also, the amount you can access isn't unlimited. It's often a percentage of your death benefit, or there might be a maximum cap. While some riders come with no extra premium up front, others might make your policy a bit more expensive. And, naturally, the exact health conditions that qualify, any waiting periods, and how the payouts work will be different from one insurance company and policy to the next. It's definitely not a one-size-fits-all kind of thing. So, the big question: does your life insurance policy have this hidden superpower? Or, if you're thinking about getting a new policy, how can you make sure it comes with these crucial protections? The best thing to do is to pull out your current policy documents and give them a good read, or better yet, talk to a knowledgeable insurance professional. They can help you figure out what coverage you already have, or guide you to a policy that truly fits your needs, both for the what-ifs down the road and for the unexpected curveballs life can throw at you right now. Don't just cross your fingers and hope for the best. When you boil it all down, the real big deal with life insurance living benefits is that they change your policy from something that only kicks in after you're gone, into a flexible financial tool that can give you vital support during your lifetime. With healthcare costs being what they are and life feeling a bit uncertain sometimes, knowing you have this potential safety net can make a world of difference. It's not just about the money, it's about the incredible peace of mind it brings when you need it most. And that's a benefit truly worth understanding, and definitely worth having. You are invited to subscribe to Camaraderie Health Agency YouTube channel or go to www.camaraderiehealthagency.com or call 224-433-5754.